Hey guys, welcome. Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, I will talking about iOS 14.4. So guys, Apple finally released iOS 14.4, its official version for all the public users, and it has been released almost after a month of beta version. So guys, iOS 14.4 has been released along with your iPadOS 14.4, tvOS 14.4, and the watchOS 7.3. So guys, in this video I'll be talking about only one question, that is whether you should update your device to iOS 14.4 or not, because a video regarding new features in iOS 14.4 has already been made. The link will be description. So in this video let's answer the question, that is whether iOS 14.4 is good or not. So let's start the video. So before directly jumping to a video, first let me show you some numbers, that is your build number and the update size. So now currently I am on iPhone 7 with a iOS 14.3 with a build number of 18C66, and that size, that is around 365 megabytes on my iPhone 7. So it may vary according to the device and the earlier iOS installed on your device. So now after the iOS 14.4, the build number is changed. Okay, so build number is 18D52. That's it. That was your build number and the update size. So now let's talk about a real point. In this video, when I'm discussing about iOS 14.4, it will be completely depending upon my experience and observation which I got by using both iOS version on two different devices. So here I have used iOS 14.3 on my iPhone 7 and iOS 14.4 beta version on my iPhone SE. So I know how they work on both devices. So now let's talk about some facts and let's see what has changed and what has improved. So let's start. So guys, first of all let's talk about some common issue or common problem, that is your camera application. So on iOS 14.3 earlier, when I was trying to open camera application, initially the camera was getting blackout or completely frozen for few seconds. So every time when I open a camera application to shoot a video or capture a photo, initially for few seconds the camera will get to blackout or frozen and then it's to open, and when I try to record a video the app will get crashed. And guys, just to tell you, when I was using my iPhone 7 running iOS 14.3, only that time this issue was happening, and similar time I was using my iPhone SE with iOS 14.4 beta version. So beta version, iOS 14.4 beta version, I never experienced this issue. So only iOS 14.3 it was happening on my device. So the point is that on iOS 14.4 there is no issue of camera problem. The next iOS 14.3 problem I was facing is that app crashing. So the games like Clash of Clans or a PUBG or the application like your Adobe Lightroom or a PixArt, okay, when you are trying to open them, they were getting frozen or a freeze or they are crashing out instantly. So simultaneously I was using this application on iOS 14.4 on my iPhone SE, but there was no issue on my iPhone SE with iOS 14.4. So iOS 14.3 was major issue regarding the app crashing. So the point which I want to make here is that the device running iOS 14.3 stable version was the problem. There was app crashing a lot of times, but the device running iOS 14.4 beta version was very smooth and running smoothly. So iOS 14.4 has been really a smooth and better update than iOS 14.3. So this is one point to consider while updating your device. So the next issue or the next problem that I will talk about is your keyboard issue. Okay, there is a video also, the link will be description. So the issue was that the keyboard was not displayed properly. There was only half keyboard displayed, or a keyboard was frozen, or a keyboard was invisible and not accessible. So with the recent update, okay, in iOS 14.4 the issue was not faced. Okay, there is no issue regarding keyboard in iOS 14.4. So that can be one good option or a good better point for updating the device from iOS 14.3 to iOS 14.4. So guys, lastly let's talk about iOS 14.4 battery performances. Before talking to iOS 14.4, let's talk about iOS 14.3 and battery. If you remember, if you're following me up, a few weeks back I made a video on iOS 14.3 and the battery performances, and in the video I showed you how the battery was drained by iOS 14.3 update. It was really horrible, where I was losing my 10% battery in single minute. So since I was updating my other device to iOS 14.4, the problem has solved. How can I say this? So guys, I tried this in earlier also and now also. So in iOS 14.3 I tried playing YouTube videos and camera application back to back, and while doing that earlier I lost 10% battery in single minute. So similarly, I tried this in iOS 14.4 as well. So I tried to play YouTube videos and open the camera application, okay, back to back. So now I played YouTube videos and camera application almost for a 4 to 5 minutes, and in that minute I hardly lost 2 or 3% battery. So if you're comparing earlier and now, it is much better or highly much better. So guys, finally I can say only few things, that is I used both devices running two different iOS versions, that is iOS 14.3 and iOS 14.4 at the same time, and I have experienced both the versions on two different devices. So I know how my device were doing and how they were performing. So guys, my advice is that iOS 14.4 has fixed many issues, okay, it has got better and it is faster than comparatively earlier version. So you can just go ahead and update your device with the iOS 14.4 and you can solve the many issues on your device. And guys, one more thing, it is a RC version or a Goldmaster copy version. So guys, Goldmaster copy version is released only after trying many beta versions, so it is a bug free and solution oriented. So I can say only one thing, that my iPhone 7 is much better than earlier iOS 14.3 now. So guys, lastly, if you like this video, if this video is helpful for you, then please like the video, okay, and please subscribe for more awesome videos on iOS tips and tricks, iOS solutions and iOS update. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye.